Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Place a test call and press the hardware volume up while the call is active so you change the call channel. Once done, toggle speaker on and adjust the on-screen call slider to confirm it's responsive. This ensures you're not raising media or ringtone instead. Make sure the speaker grill is clear and your case isn't muffling sound. If the slider moves but audio stays low, move to the deeper settings steps next so you don't stop prematurely. Now modify system audio behavior. Open settings, sounds, and vibration, then adjust the call slider precisely. This changes the in-call amp. Next, enable adapt sound and pick a profile to boost frequencies that improve speech clarity. This helps you hear voices without maxing volume. If using Bluetooth or a headset, go to Developer Options and disable absolute volume so phone and accessory volumes don't clash. Also test with and without Bluetooth to isolate whether accessories are limiting loudness before deeper troubleshooting. Finish by performing a series of test calls. Try handset, speakerphone, and a wired headset to compare results. This identifies hardware limits. If problems persist, reset network settings or app preferences to restore sound routing without wiping data. If you still get low volume, reboot into safe mode and retest. Third-party apps can override audio. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.